You stand on the precipice of possibility, staring into the overwhelming expanse of your own potential. Yet how often do you find yourself caught in the web of limitations imposed by the world around you? Earl Nightingale, one of the true pioneers of personal development, once declared that we become what we think about. Think about that for a moment. Your thoughts shape your reality. Your beliefs carve the path of your destiny, and the choices you make today will echo through the corridors of your future. Picture yourself navigating a world that relentlessly pushes you towards mediocrity, while deep within you churns an insatiable desire for something greater, something extraordinary. This moment is your wake-up call. The truth is, no one is going to hand you greatness. It must be seized, fought for, and earned through an unwavering belief in yourself and your vision. The essence of Earl Nightingale's teachings emerges not just from motivational platitudes, but from core principles that resonate at the very depths of human ambition. Inspiration doesn't merely light a spark. It ignites a fire that burns away doubt and fear, leaving in its wake the ashes of your old self, creating fertile ground for new possibilities. You hold the key to unlock doors you didn't even know existed, and it begins with embracing the idea that you are the architect of your own life. Let this understanding resonate deeply within you as we embark on a journey to awaken your inner giant, a journey where the limits are merely illusions waiting to be shattered. Imagine waking each morning with a clear sense of purpose. Each day, a fresh canvas waiting for the brushstrokes of your intention. Your dreams are not just fantasies to ponder during quiet moments. They are living, breathing entities yearning for your attention and action. The moment you decide to step into the world as your most authentic self, something magical happens. The mundane transforms into the extraordinary. The daily grind shifts from an obligation to a thrilling adventure, a journey where every challenge becomes a stepping stone towards your ultimate goals. This shift in perspective is not merely about positivity. It's about awakening a part of you that has been dormant too long. The truth is, every small action you take compounds over time. Picture your life as a garden. Each thought, each decision, like a seed planted in the soil of your mind. Water them with belief and watch as they sprout into the life you've always imagined. Every success begins with a single moment of courage. It's this courage that propels you forward, leading you to take the risks necessary for growth. As you begin to embrace this more empowering mindset, obstacles will still appear, but rather than see them as barriers, you'll recognize them as opportunities to learn. Each setback is simply a lesson in disguise, pushing you to adapt and evolve. This is your journey of transformation, where every day holds the promise of new beginnings. The path is yours to forge, so let your footsteps echo with confidence and determination, carving a legacy of greatness that inspires those around you. As you embark on this riveting journey, remember that your mindset is your most formidable ally. It colors every experience, shaping the lens through which you view the world. When you cultivate a mindset that embraces possibilities, the mundane transforms. Even the smallest victories turn into powerful affirmations of your journey. Imagine standing at the foot of a mountain, staring up at what seems impossible. Now picture yourself reaching the summit, each step marked by resilience and determination. That journey is filled with lessons that refine your spirit and elevate your purpose. Surround yourself with inspiration. Seek out people who embody the qualities you admire. Engage with their stories, and allow their triumphs to become fuel for your own aspirations. When you immerse yourself in uplifting energy, doubt diminishes. You begin to understand that greatness is not reserved for the few. It's a birthright for anyone willing to chase it passionately. Visualize your goals as vibrant stars scattered across a cosmic sky. Each one shines brightly, calling you to take action. When you focus on these stars, you illuminate the path ahead. This isn't about achieving success for status or recognition. It's about honoring the vision that springs from your deepest desires. With each step forward, you create a ripple effect, inspiring others to embrace their own journeys. Trust in the process, cherish the growth, and watch as your reality begins to unfold miraculously. The canvas of your life is waiting. Let your actions paint a masterpiece. As you navigate this vibrant journey of self-discovery, remember that the power of your environment plays a crucial role in shaping who you are and who you can become. Just as a plant flourishes in the right conditions, so too will your potential blossom when nurtured by positivity and inspiration. Look around you. Are the people in your circle uplifting and encouraging? Or do they sap your energy and dampen your dreams? The choice is yours. Surround yourself with those who spark joy and ignite ambition. Harness the power of community, for together, you can scale heights that seem insurmountable on your own. Consider the moments you spend each day. Are they filled with activities that replenish your spirit, or do they drain you? Shift your focus to allocate time for self-care and passion projects. Engage in activities that fill you with excitement and purpose, whether it's painting, writing, exercising, or volunteering. These actions act like fuel for your fire, driving you forward and keeping the momentum alive. It's in these moments of joy that you find clarity and motivation, propelling you closer to your dreams. Embrace the idea that growth is not a linear journey, but a winding road filled with twists and turns. Celebrate your steps forward, no matter how small, and allow yourself to revel in the experience. Each moment brings an opportunity for awakening. Grasp it with both hands, allowing the thrill of potential to surge through you like a current. You are more than capable of forging a path that resonates with your soul. Remember, greatness is a journey, not a destination, and every day is an invitation to step deeper into your magnificence. In this dynamic dance of growth, vulnerability becomes your ally. Rather than shying away from the uncomfortable, welcome it as a signpost indicating the areas ripe for exploration. Each moment of vulnerability is not a weakness, but a courageous step that reveals the true essence of who you are. When you allow yourself to be seen, flaws and all, you unlock the door to authentic connections with others. This is where magic happens. You inspire those around you to shed their own masks, and together, you create a nurturing environment that encourages growth. Imagine stepping into a room filled with energy, laughter, and shared stories. Each participant is unguarded, recounting their struggles and triumphs. In this space, you realize that everyone has faced their own challenges, and this shared experience fosters a bond that elevates you all. Each story shared isn't just a tale of survival, but a testament to resilience and the power of human spirit. Reconnect with your passions and reignite that spark that makes your heart race. Think about activities that made you lose track of time, those moments when joy consumed you. Rediscover those passions and weave them into your days. Let them serve as a reminder that life is meant to be embraced with enthusiasm, not merely endured. Every small step towards embracing your true self contributes to the larger tapestry of your life, revealing a vibrant, intricate design unique to you. It's time to narrate your own story boldly and beautifully. In this journey towards self-discovery and empowerment, one of the most transformative actions you can take is to cultivate gratitude. Gratitude has the remarkable ability to shift your perspective, turning ordinary moments into extraordinary experiences. When you consciously recognize the goodness in your life, you create an ecosystem of abundance that nourishes your spirit. Imagine starting each day by reflecting on 3 things you are thankful for, big or small. This practice acts like a powerful lens, allowing you to view your world with a renewed sense of appreciation. Whether it's the warm morning sun, a friendly smile from a stranger, or simply the gift of a new day, these moments anchor you in positivity. As you cultivate gratitude, you'll find that it not only enhances your mood, but also strengthens your resilience. Difficult days will still arise, but with gratitude as your foundation, you can navigate through the storm with a sense of calm and clarity. Picture yourself in challenging situations. Instead of succumbing to frustration, you pause to reflect on what you can learn from the experience. This mindset transforms obstacles into opportunities, empowering you to emerge stronger, wiser, and more capable. Moreover, sharing your gratitude expands this beautiful energy. When you express appreciation to others, you strengthen connections and inspire a ripple effect of kindness. Each word of thanks or acknowledgement becomes a thread that weaves the fabric of a supportive community, reinforcing the belief that together we can uplift one another. Let this powerful practice of gratitude guide your steps as you create a life filled with joy, purpose, and authenticity. Through gratitude, every moment becomes an invitation to celebrate the journey and the growth that accompanies it. As you continue this exhilarating quest for self-discovery, it's essential to recognize the power of intention. Intentions are not merely goals, they are the compass that directs your journey, shaping your actions and guiding your choices. By setting clear intentions, you anchor yourself in purpose, empowering you to take deliberate steps toward your aspirations. Imagine waking up each day with a powerful, purposeful mantra in your heart, one that reminds you of the person you strive to be. This practice creates a magnetic force that attracts opportunities aligned with your vision. Visualizing your intentions is equally transformative. Picture them vividly, as if they are already a part of your reality. Engage all your senses as you imagine what it feels like to achieve those dreams. The sights, sounds, and emotions you conjure reinforce your belief in what's possible. Each time you revisit this mental landscape, you ignite the passion that fuels your drive, making it all the easier to persevere through challenges. Moreover, intentions invite accountability into your life. When you share your aspirations with others, you create a network of support that keeps you focused and motivated. Surround yourself with fellow dream chasers who inspire you, share your intentions, and celebrate your progress. This community becomes a lifeline, reminding you that you're not alone on this journey. Embrace the invigorating power of intention. Let it elevate your spirit, sharpen your focus, and propel you toward the extraordinary life awaiting you. Open your heart to the rhythm of life, and let each beat remind you of the adventure woven into your existence. Passion is a powerful fuel, one that ignites your spirit and propels you toward the extraordinary. When you tap into what truly excites you, you unleash a cascade of emotions that invigorate your journey. What lights a fire within you? Is it the thrill of creativity, the joy of connecting with others, or perhaps the challenge of mastering a new skill? Whatever it may be, grasp it with both hands and let it guide your actions. Engaging in your passions transforms the mundane into a magical experience. It shifts your focus from obstacles to opportunities, allowing you to perceive the world through a more vibrant lens. Imagine dedicating time each week to pursue an activity that fills you with joy. Painting, playing an instrument, or hiking in nature. Each moment spent doing what you love becomes a building block, shaping a life where fulfillment reigns supreme. As you dive deeper into your passions, don't be surprised by the connections you form. Surround yourself with others who share your enthusiasm, and witness how that shared energy magnifies your experiences. Together, you can inspire, challenge, and uplift one another, creating a camaraderie that fuels your collective dreams. Remember, pursuing what excites you isn't just a personal endeavor. It's a ripple that influences everyone around you. Your light shines brighter when you are truly alive, igniting the spark in others to chase their own dreams. Keep pushing forward. Your best chapters await. As you stand at the end of this transformative journey, take a moment to breathe it all in. The path you've traversed is a testament to the strength and resilience that lies within you. Reflect on the lessons learned, the connections made, and the dreams that have taken root in your heart. This is not just the conclusion of a chapter. It's the beginning of a vibrant saga that is entirely yours to write. Now, it's time to share this incredible journey with others. Invite your friends, loved ones, or anyone who dreams of becoming their best selves to join you. Spread this inspiration far and wide. Post about it on social media. Send a link to this video, or simply have a conversation about what matters most to you. By sharing, you not only reinforce your own commitment to growth, but also ignite the flames of possibility in others. Consider this your rallying cry. Greatness is within reach, and together we can elevate one another. If you found value in these insights, embrace the power of community. Like, subscribe to our channel, and be part of this movement. Your participation is the spark that fuels the fire of motivation in many lives. Each click and share sends ripples of positivity into the world, reinforcing the notion that we're all in this together. As you step into this next chapter, remember, the canvas is yours, the brush is in your hand, and the masterpiece of your life is waiting to be unveiled. Now go forth and let your extraordinary story unfold.